Mike Lindsay came to Hardy Wolf and Downing because he knew he had a case that was going to be difficult. There was disputed liability. He was a bicyclist riding on the side of the road. The driver of a pickup truck drifted over and struck Mr. Selinsky, Mike, and Mike immediately knew that he was going to need help with this. Mike had what's called a mild traumatic brain injury. These are very difficult to prove because if you look at the person, they look fairly normal. But in reality, Mike had some pretty profound and life-changing injuries. He lost his sense of smell and taste, which, as we can imagine, can really affect one's enjoyment of life. He had a change in personality. I talked to his wife. She really noticed a change in Mike's ability to verbalize some things. He was mixing words up. It really had some profound changes.
I ride my bicycle just about every day, and I was riding down Main Street, and I was on the side of the road, and all of a sudden this pickup truck doing about 45 miles an hour ran right into the back of me, and I went up on the hood of his vehicle and landed in the ditch of the road.
The insurance company was willing to pay very, very little, and Mike originally went to a different attorney. That attorney encouraged Mike to take a very minor settlement. That's when he called Hardy Wolf and Downing and decided to talk to me about doing better for him. In a case like this, it's important to talk to witnesses. Oftentimes that's the real difference between being able to recover for a client in a meaningful way and not being able to. So it's important to get that information out quickly. It's important to act upon it. It's important for an attorney to have all the information from a very early point in the case and being able to capture those facts.
Hardy Wolf and Downing covered everything. Every time that there was any question, I'd call them up, and they had all the answers. I had all the confidence in all of them, and it was a very, very good experience, actually.
In a case like Mike's, it was important for the insurance company to know that I was going to file suit, and I had every intention to. In his case, we didn't need to because they knew that my ability to do that, I've dealt with them many times before, and they knew that that was not an idle threat.